Welcome back to Hello Daily English. Today's episode is extra special and super useful in real life.
Oh, absolutely. Because today we're talking about how to talk to a doctor in English.
That's right. Many learners say, I understand English, but when I'm sick or at the doctor's office, I freeze.
Yeah, that's me. The moment the doctor says, "So, what brings you in today?" I forget every English word I know.
You're not alone, John. So today we'll go through everything from how to make an appointment, explain your symptoms, talk about pain, understand what the doctor says, and even how to ask follow-up questions.
And the best part? It'll sound like a real conversation, so you can practice listening, repeating, and using the same expressions in your own life.
Exactly. So grab your notebook. This one's full of everyday English you can really use. And of course, make sure to subscribe to Hello Daily English.
Yeah, subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. And hey, comment below where you're listening from. We love seeing where our learners are from.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. John's not feeling well and he wants to make an appointment with the doctor.
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Emma, please.
Sure. May I know what seems to be the problem?
I've been feeling tired lately, and I've had a bad headache for the past few days.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms like fever, cough, or sore throat?
No cough or fever, just the headache and a bit of dizziness.
All right, we have an opening at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Does that work for you?
That's perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Please bring your ID and insurance card. See you tomorrow.
Great, thank you so much.
So that was a short example of booking a doctor's appointment.
I like that it's simple. You don't need fancy grammar, just polite, clear sentences.
Exactly. Notice words like I'd like to, I've been feeling, and does that work for you? These are natural and polite.
Mm.
Scene 2, arriving at the clinic.
All right, so now I'm at the clinic. Slightly nervous laugh. Always feels a bit weird, doesn't it?
Everyone feels nervous at the doctor's office.
Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Emma at 10 a.m.
Great. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you shortly.
Thank you.
Scene 3, meeting the doctor. Good morning, John. I'm Dr. Emma. How are you today?
Hi, doctor. I'm okay, just not feeling great.
I see. So, what brings you in today?
Well, I've been having headaches for the last few days, and sometimes I feel a bit dizzy.
Hmm. How long have you been feeling this way?
Maybe around a week.
Do you feel the pain in one specific area or all over your head?
Mostly around my temples and eyes.
I see. On a scale from 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?
Maybe a 6. It's not terrible, but it's bothering me.
Got it. Do you spend a lot of time in front of a computer?
Yes, almost all day. I work online.
That might explain the tension. Sometimes eye strain or stress can cause these headaches.
Oh, that makes sense. I've been really busy lately.
So here's an important tip for our listeners. When a doctor asks, what brings you in today, they're not asking who drove you.
Right. It means, why are you here? What's the problem?
Exactly. And on a scale from 1 to 10 means you describe how strong the pain is. 1 means very light, 10 means extreme pain.
Super useful to know.
Scene 4, talking about symptoms. John, have you been sleeping well lately?
Not really. I've been staying up late working.
Are you eating properly?
Not always. I've been skipping breakfast and drinking way too much coffee.
That could definitely be part of the problem. Your body needs rest and nutrients.
Yeah, I guess my body's saying, hey, take a break.
Exactly.
So what should I do, doctor?
First, make sure you drink enough water. Second, take short breaks from your screen every hour. And try to get at least 7 hours of sleep.
Got it. No more midnight work sessions.
So, here's an important tip for our listeners. When a doctor asks, "What brings you in today?" they're not asking who drove you.
Right. It means, why are you here? What's the problem?
Exactly. And on a scale from 1 to 10 means you describe how strong the pain is. 1 means very light, 10 means extreme pain.
Super useful to know.
All right, John. So, based on what you've told me, it sounds like tension headaches, probably caused by stress and eye strain.
So it's not serious?
Nothing dangerous, but you should rest your eyes and stay hydrated.
Any medicine I should take?
You can take mild pain relief if needed, but try lifestyle changes first. Less screen time, better posture, and regular breaks.
I'll do that. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. And if it doesn't improve in a few days, come back for a follow-up. So, follow-up means a second visit to check your progress.
Right, like a review appointment.
Exactly. Other common doctor words are prescription, symptom, diagnosis, and treatment.
Those are key words to remember.
Scene 6. Closing the visit.
Thank you so much, doctor. I really appreciate your time.
My pleasure, John. Take care and get some rest.
I will. Thanks again.
So that's how a real doctor-patient conversation might sound.
Yeah, and it's actually simple, polite, clear, and easy to follow.
Exactly. The key is to describe your symptoms clearly, how long, how bad, and where you feel the pain.
And to stay calm. Doctors are used to helping people. You don't have to speak perfect English.
Yes, communication is more important than grammar.
And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Hello Daily English.
And smile. Leave a comment below. What's one English phrase you learned today?
We'll feature some of your comments in the next episode.
Remember, English is about real life. Use it when you speak to your doctor, your teacher, your friends.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and stay healthy.
This is Dr. Emma,
And this is John.
and you're listening to Hello Daily English. See you next time.